I'm Silvana Pajor Flores. Welcome to our channel. I've been in the insurance industry since 2013, so that will be 8 years. But I started with a Family First Life in May of 2015. I did have a little bit of experience in my first sale with Family First Life. I was nervous just because I changed from being captive, which means just one company, 2 or 3 products, to having a lot of companies, 20, 30 companies with a lot of products. That's where I got a little bit nervous, but I just follow what they told me to do. And it was a family where the husband had a lot of medical issues. So I did what I was told, called my manager, and got them covered. I wanted to know everything about all the companies and all the products and eligibility. I mean, what they will cover. That's what eligibility means. So I was told not to worry about product knowledge. Get to know the family, care about them, understand what would happen. My job was to understand what would happen if one of them were to pass away, and fill out an inventory, a suitability worksheet to understand not only about their situation, okay, but also about their income. In case there's a disparity of income between husband and wife, what is their mortgage amount, and their medical condition, and if they have some sort of coverage. It's a part of the structure. You know, when I get to the home, I already put from the beginning, I put myself in a position where I'm structuring the whole appointment.
Okay.
Because I tell the people I'm sitting down with, hey, I'm here to help you. This is what's going to happen today. To make sure that what I'm thinking is the right thing to do, or the best thing according to your situation. After I get the answer from the in-home underwriter, I'm gonna present a couple of options to see what fits your budget and your needs the best. You're gonna pick what's best for you, and we're gonna submit a request for coverage. One of the greatest things that I've experienced since 2015 with Family First Life is the lead. The lead is a person that submitted a request. Either they submitted a request over Facebook, or they submitted a request just on the internet, or they filled out a postcard, an actual form that got mailed to them, and they fill it out and put it in the post office and send it back to us. We buy as many as we can or as we want. There's endless amounts of them. You never see the every zip code in the whole United States.
Wow.
So it's either they are requesting traditional life insurance, either they are requesting mortgage protection, they are requesting income replacement, final expenses, or help with their retirement. Good question. Well, there are different stages of preparation, right? Number one, when I'm in the car, I try to be training and listening to podcasts or something like that to learn more of, or from these great leaders that we have here at Family First Life. So I'm mentally preparing to go to an appointment, to be in the right mindset. Then is the other stage of preparation is the way that your client is going to see you from when you park the car. So you want your car to just look presentable, clean. So they're seeing through the window. They want to feel proud that you're visiting them, right? It took me a long time. Well, back then I started on the paper application days. So, but as soon as we started having electronic applications, I found myself in those situations where I didn't have internet. So I could not use an electronic application. I I always have the lead that the client filled out. Either if it was an internet lead, I will print it out just to confirm I try to have that in my hand when I knock on the door actually.
Right.
I have my license with the state that I'm working at, with the state I'm working at. And I have just a few examples of companies that we'll work with. We call it the credibility worksheet. Tells a little bit about what we do and what companies we work with.
Mm-hmm.
So I present that to every person, just establishing credibility, who I work with and how long I've been doing this. Part of structure, as soon as we walk in, we have an appointment. It will be weird if I'm asking permission again. So as soon as they open the door, wave at them, say Silvana, just make the step forward to go into the house. I came for our appointment, our mortgage appointment, our final expense appointment. And as soon as we walk in the house, it's like, oh, where's the closest table we can see that so I just got to take a couple of notes.
Right.
So it's just structure and setting the expectation from the get-go as we were talking before. So if you're brand new with the Family First Life, there is a lot of help out there. Someone will help you within minutes.